This is like first you put 45 ml of water, and then you add oil, and then you just add three food colorings with 5 drops. See? This is how 1 drop counts. I put that gently.
Not you, Mom.
And this one is actually Mom. This one, she's doing the experiment. A very new experiment. What if we don't need to use the cups and
Go to the bathroom.
and steering tubes, and then this is how it happens. It looks like the bubbles are just standing there doing nothing, like resting or just chatting. So maybe you will use the test the spinning tubes without the count. So let me try this.
Yeah, no, huh? No.
Just touch a bit.
No. Just read.
And you just wait. It's kind of boring when you wait, but that's how science experiment works. Sometimes science experiment fails. That's always the main point. And then start following the red one, the first one. And then the blue. And then nothing else. Because they grow larger and then they just fall. Look at the red mixed with blue. It's beautiful, isn't it? And it's rainbow falling. It's actually very good. And this is the new experiment. Ooh. And it looks like nothing falls off. The other things just did nothing. It looks like the yellow one's preparing to fall. It just moved. And if you want to see the top, it's like this. Can you see it? Because try to count how many beans are there. Like how many bubbles are there. As you see closer, you could see the bubbles. See? There's a green bubble, yellow bubble. Oh, this one popped. Look. Blue mixed with yellow equals green. Didn't you see it? And if these two popped, the green one first popped. Because of blue mixture with yellow. And they all start falling down. That's how it looks like here. Couldn't you see it? Just ask me. I could help you. Because we have 45, it just raised because of the oil. And put protective glasses. Or else maybe something will explode.
Okay, that's all.
And thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Why?
Main character is me. And the other main character is Mommy.
I can only see your nose.
Goodbye.